This tutorial will show you how to make a copy of a repository on github.com and save it on your computer. Usually, you'll already have a link to some repository that you want to clone. For this tutorial, we'll clone the animation project. Once at GitHub, be sure that you have logged in. You can check this by verifying that your account avatar is present in the top right corner. Now, press the green Code button. Click the Open with Xcode link. You may need to give your browser permission to open Xcode. Do that now. If the project has multiple branches, more on branches later in this course, you need to select the branch that you want to clone. Most of the time, that will be the master or main branch. Once you have selected the branch that you want, press the Clone button. As you can see, I have many folders and favorites set up on my computer. I recommend having a folder named Computer Science for this class. If you don't have a folder like that yet, switch to your desktop. Press the New Folder button, and then create the necessary folder. Select the folder you want to save code in, and then press the Clone button. After a moment, the project should be downloaded. It will then automatically open. You're all set. Have fun coding.